Hi everyone, welcome to an updated version of the video I posted in April on how to upload Amino Stories. They've upgraded the editor, so the process has changed a bit and they have more features available in the editor that I thought I'd show you. Anyone with an Amino account can now post stories to Amino, but if you'd also like to get paid making Amino Stories, you need to become an Amino Creator. And there'll be an invitation link in the description or in the comment section below if you're interested. It's a referral link, so thank you if you use it. And I'll talk more about what it means to be an Amino Creator later in the video, but now let's get to how to upload your story. So I've already edited my story on my laptop. I showed that part very quickly in my last video about Amino Stories, but I can also show you how to turn horizontal videos into vertical videos in more detail in a new video if you'd like to see it. I exported the scenes for the story individually and transferred them to my phone via a USB cable. Let's open the main Amino app. You can post stories in any Amino, but if you become a paid Amino creator, you'll only get paid for views on the stories on your global profile in the main Amino app, at least right now. Click on the plus sign. If you already started a story, you can view drafts, but when you're uploading a new one, go to Create New. Tap the plus sign and then tap Scene 1 to add your first scene of the story. Scroll through your media to find the right file. Previously, I would edit all the scenes into one video and then upload the same video into each scene and trim them. But that doesn't work anymore. There seems to be some size limit to the video clip you can upload into a scene. That's why I started exporting the scenes separately. Tap on the file to select it. If you don't need to trim it or edit it in any way, you can just tap on the check mark. Add the next scene. You can add between 3 and 10 scenes into a story. Although, if you're not trying to become a paid creator, then there's no minimum number of scenes. You could add just one scene. I'll show you the current editing features with this next scene. You can trim the video clip by moving these yellow handles or moving your video inside them. The scene has to be between 3 and 15 seconds long. And then click on the check mark. You can also split a video clip if you want to cut something out within the clip. And you can add another clip or an image with the plus sign. You can crop by zooming in with your fingers. If you have a horizontal video, this is how you can fit it to the correct height. Or if you just want to rotate the horizontal video into vertical, you can do that by tapping the rotate tool. You can add music or sound effects to the scenes from the music library Amino offers or from your phone. And finally, you can add text with the T icon. You just type in your text, choose the color, and choose how long and in which part of the scene the text will show up. I used the text feature in my first weekly artist vlog to show it to you better. So you can drag the text bigger from the bottom right corner and also rotate it and place it where you want in the frame. So the white text was already there, but I added the yellow one in the Amino editor. Now add the rest of the scenes and then we'll continue. If you want to change the order of the scenes or you noticed you accidentally added the same scene twice, go into Manage, where you can change the order or copy or delete scenes. Now's the time to add background music for the whole story. You can drag the song inside the yellow selector if you don't want it to start from the beginning. You can fade it in or out and change the balance between the video and the music audio, if you'd like the video audio to be louder than the music, for example. Then watch it through to check that it's okay and click Done. Now you get to choose a frame for the video cover image if you don't like the automatically chosen one. You can even use a custom cover image from your phone. I usually make the first scene with the cover image in mind, so I haven't tested the custom option yet. Now you can type in a title for your story and a short description. Luckily, they're allowing a bit longer titles now, because I was having trouble coming up with crazy short titles in the older version of the editor. And then add topics which are kind of like YouTube tags. It shows your history, so you can just select ones you've used before, or it will also make suggestions once you fill in few letters. I'm also adding this line in the description that says follow me for more art tips, because currently you'll only get paid for views from your followers and you can only get paid for the same viewer once a day. And only if you had 5 or more of those viewers that day. Which might sound confusing, but I'll link their FAQ page below so you can read more about it. When you're ready, click submit. You can also click out of the story editor or the whole app at this point if you're not ready to submit yet. The video will be in your drafts when you come back. It's gonna take a while to process and then it will play your story once it's published. As mentioned, I'm making short art tips and behind the scenes and artist vlog type stories on my global Amino profile, and I'll show you how you can find it. So in the front page of the main Amino app, there's a search icon on top of the page. Tap it and then you can choose what you're searching for. So select users and then type Ivy Lily Creative and search, and you'll find my profile and there'll be a follow button next to it, which you don't see here because I can't follow my own profile, obviously. I'll also post a link to my profile below. When you're on the front page, you can find the feed of stories from the people you follow by tapping Discover and then Following. Thanks for watching, bye!